Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. I am Mark, and I am here with Sarah. Today, we have a very important lesson for beginners. We are talking about two tenses, the present simple and the present continuous.
Hi, Mark. Yes, this is a great topic. Many students ask me, Sarah, when do I say I eat and when do I say I am eating? It is a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, we're here to help.
That's right. Let's start with the present simple. Sarah, what is it for?
Well, Mark, we use the present simple for things that are true or things that happen every day. For example, I drink coffee every morning. This is a habit. It is a routine.
Exactly. I can say, I live in London. This is a permanent situation. It doesn't change every minute. In the present simple, we just use the verb. But remember the S rule. I say I work, but he works or she works.
Yes, the S is very important for he, she, and it. Now, let's look at the present continuous. This is different. We use it for things happening right now, at this exact moment. Mark, what are you doing right now?
Right now, I am talking to you, and I am sitting in the studio. Notice that I use the verb to be, am, is, are, and then I add ing to the main verb.
That's it. I am talking, you are listening, we are learning. It's like a movie that's playing right now. If I say, I wash my car, it means I do it maybe every Sunday. But if I say, I am washing my car, it means I'm outside with the water and the soap at this moment.
This is a great way to explain it. Let's compare. Sarah, do you play the piano?
Yes, I play the piano. I play every weekend. But Mark, I am not playing the piano right now. Right now, I'm holding a microphone.
Perfect example. So I play is the habit and I am holding is the action now. We also have some signal words that help us, right?
Yes, for the present simple, look for words like always, usually, often, or every day. These words tell us about frequency. For the present continuous, look for now, at the moment, or even today.
Let's talk about questions. In the present simple, we need a little helper. We use do or does. For example, do you like chocolate? Or does he speak English?
And for the present continuous, we don't need do. We just move the verb to be to the front. Are you eating? Is it raining?
Speaking of rain, here in London, it rains a lot. That's the present simple because it's a general fact. But look out the window now, Sarah. Is it raining?
No, it isn't raining right now. The sun is shining.
Great. The sun shines in summer, simple, and the sun is shining now, continuous. Listeners, can you see the difference?
Mark, we should tell them about the state verbs. These are special. We usually don't use them with ing. For example, the verb want or love.
Right. We say, I want an apple, not I am wanting an apple. Even if it's happening right now, we keep it in the simple form. I love this lesson.
I love it too. So let's recap for our friends. Use present simple for your daily life, your job, and your habits. Use present continuous for the things you see when you look around you right now.
For example, every day I study English, but right now I am listening to Mark and Sarah's podcast.
You are a very good student, Mark.
Thank you. Now let's think about some more examples. Sarah, what does your brother do?
My brother is a doctor. He works in a big hospital. That's his job, so I use the present simple. But today is his day off, so right now he is not working. He is watching football on TV.
That's a perfect explanation. He works, job, versus he is watching, now. This is exactly how you should practice, everyone. Look at your family members. What did they do every day? And what are they doing at this moment?
Yes, maybe your mother is a teacher, but right now she is cooking dinner.
Or maybe your dog always barks at the mailman, but right now he is sleeping on the floor.
My dog is definitely sleeping right now. He is very lazy.
Well, I think we covered the main points. It's not as hard as it looks. Just remember routine versus now.
And don't forget the am, is, are for the ing sentences. Many students say, I walking, but you must say, I am walking.
Very important point, Sarah. Well, I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening to our small grammar lesson.
It was fun. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English perfectly.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.